Hi ho, guys and gals. Well, we're trying something a little bit different here. Valencia reached out to me and said, hey, would you be interested in trying out one of our theater seating couch combo units? We were about to buy a couch anyway, so we said, what the heck? Let's see what you got here.
As we pull it up, is pulling it off, and it is neatly packaged. It's got a little cardboard thing on the bottom.
All right, here is the whole seating unboxed. All right, and here is the whole set. We got left, right, and center. Just unboxed. There's a wrap that comes over the whole thing. I'll show you that in a minute. And we're gonna, the setup on this is basically pretty easy. You connect the electronics between all three. They're just plug and plug. Then you link them together, put the backs just stick in, and that's it. So let's get to it. Kind of feel like it's doing like one of those beds we've done, but
Yeah.
now we don't have to worry about it expanding in our face.
And this reminds me of like when you get a nice handbag.
Oh yeah, they come in these kind
with
of,
a little dust cover.
yeah.
But it's
Here, I'll pull from this side.
okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Voila.
Ooh, staticky.
Oh yeah. All right, look at that. Leather. And that's what it looks like back there. I realize it's kind of dark, but that's the gist. Okay, these are, I guess, the female connecting pieces, so you connect one unit to the next unit. Right now they're pointed in because this is an end unit where we're not going to have something connected to it, but if you wanted to connect another piece, go ahead. All you do is you swivel it around, and then the male part just snaps into there. And if you're not going to use it, you can just swivel it back. And just get it right there out of the way so no one trips over it or anything like that. And then that's how you use every piece. Has got a female side and then a male side. I'll show you the male side in just a second. Here's the male side that those clip into. As you can see, it's just basically a little triangle piece here that they ratchet into. All right, there's really nothing to this piece. Here's the power cord for it. As you can see, it's strapped in Velcro. You just undo that. There's that. And then these are the connector pieces that jump from one unit to the next. These look like I'm playing, what's that game when you toss the bean bags? I think it's probably silica in there. I'm hoping it's silica. Anyway, and then there's the connection for the backrests. Those just go on there. I'm going to take those off on each of those. So let's set these all up and connect them and show you how that works. This is the back of the center unit, or the bottom of the center unit. It's got a 12-volt plug right here. There's an adapter for it that plugs in. I think it's for the lights and accessories. Actually, this is probably for the other plug accessories and stuff that's in the console when it folds down. So just be aware, this one's going to be different than the other two. Just set it down right there. Now let's get this plug out of the way. Okay, there we go. All right. Then these units, this part right here, is going to go onto that bracket right there, and same over here. So let's go ahead and lift it up.
Okay.
Don't worry about the plug, Griff.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Just gonna lift it up. I can't see.
You got to come towards me about 3 inches. Come up lower. There we go.
Just go forward a little bit and come my way a little bit.
Okay, Griff, look over here. Does it look like it's going in down here?
Yep.
Okay.
It just needs to lean this way a little bit more. There you go.
And this right here will fold down and cover all this stuff once we're done. All right, let's slide it in.
Okay, keep coming.
Doing good.
Coming.
Doing good.
Come towards me a little bit.
I got it.
Okay.
There. Is that enough? You just got to get close with these.
Yep. I think she can come in a little bit more towards the couch that way.
Yep. Hold on. Okay, put it back. Here's the table. It pivots. You can see the cup holder down there. And this all goes into this little unit right here. Okay, now lift. This is the control panel down here. We have USB. We have up, down, lumbar. This turns the lights on. Okay, but the real question is it comfortable? And after a long day, I got to tell you, we held off. We didn't do this video right away. I wanted to, oh my gosh, I feel so good. I wanted to see, oh my gosh, that's a little too far back from my head. But I wanted to see how comfortable it was after we used it for a while. It kind of broke it in. Oh, yeah. The lumbar, that's a little much. There we go. The only thing it doesn't have that would be kind of nice is if it had like heated massage or something like that. But honestly, you're almost feeling guilty sitting in something like this. I got my nice tray table. It's got the side storage. It's got the cup holder. It's got underglow lights. I've honestly, I mentioned before that I came down with COVID right about when they sent this to me. And I ended up having to sleep in this seat many a night because I had to sleep sitting up to get the, going. And it's the first couch chair I've been able to sleep in years, and I love it. My daughter sleeps laying across on it. My wife loves it. Even the dog. We gotta find a way to keep the dog off of it because she absolutely loves it.